All right, guys, my name's Jordan with Black Gold Trading, and in this video, I'm going to show you, rather tell you, why most traders they're sucking, they're failing accounts, they're blowing prop firms, etc. Why that is, how it occurs, the whole gig. So let's dive into the chart and we'll rock and roll. So when we are looking at the chart, we see all sorts of stuff. This is S&P 500 in the 5-minute. We see that we are trending up. We see, some mean reversion, all of that. And while that is cool, what we don't have is a plan. What I mean by this is before we start, you should know, how many trades, X amount of trades I'm taking today at how many ticks. It's very important that you are at ticks. Your dollar amount can always change. You need to know what are your ticks, okay? Now you can use all sorts of different tools. Like this one here will show you, how many ticks a move is. Like that move is 59 ticks. It's right here. Okay. But you have to know how many trades you're taking, how many ticks. Another one here is going to be contracts by how many contracts, and that's going to equal a dollar amount. Here's the problem. If you don't know how many trades, let's just say we're going to do 3. And we're going to do 3 trades at 20 ticks, and we're going to do 5 contracts, and that's going to equal, let's say, $500 a day. If you don't know this, what you will do is you will take as many trades as possible, and you will take as many trades as possible without really understanding what you're looking for or what you see what I'm saying. Like, you could overtrade. You could be taking this trade, that trade. Like, let's just say you were doing, come on, baby. See, you were taking this trade over here. Take this trade, you take this trade, this trade, this trade, etc. You come up here to a key level, you take the reversal of this level here. None of that's necessarily bad, but if you only need 3 trades and you're trying to take 15, you're over trading. And every time you attempt to take another trade, your risk will go up. Every additional trade, your risk will go up. If you don't know how many ticks you need, well, guess what? You can be getting out way too early. 5 ticks, 10 ticks. You could be trying to stay in too long. 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 ticks. Okay, now you're messing with stuff. If you don't know how many contracts, well, same gig. You're just taking as many as let's do 10, let's do 5, let's do 3. There's no consistency in that. You just need to understand, and this is really important for us at Black Gold Trading. You really need to understand, like, this is your gold, okay? If I can make $500 a day and there's 20 trading days, I'm gonna be a really, really happy camper. Now, if you are a little bit more advanced and you're saying, well, I've got 5 accounts, let me make this a different color for you. I've got 5 accounts, which is great. Well, now I only need to do $100 per account to hit my $500 and I win. Changes everything. Changes your trades, your contracts, and trades your ticks and your contracts. So it's really important to us, again, at Black Gold Trading, and I know you guys aren't all a part of Black Gold Trading, but it's really important to us that we know exactly what we're going to do. If you cannot identify a plan, and if you cannot stick to your plan, guys, you're going to be just shooting in the dark. You're like, man, I just don't know. Like, let me move this around. Come on, baby, work for me. Yeah. Again, like you're just kind of taking whatever, and you're just going crazy. You're like, I'm gonna take that and that and that and that and that and that. What we think is that if I just take more trades, I'm gonna make more money. Not true at all. It's a big fat lie. More trades does not equal more money. Consistent trades and targeted trades, like I'm gonna do 5 trades or 5 accounts at $100. That is strategy. That is intelligent. I see these people and they're like, yeah, man, like I'm just gonna take as many trades as I can take. And I'm gonna hit every key level, and I'm gonna hit every reversal, and I'm gonna do this and that. I'm gonna pass my prop firm in 2 days. So what that is this right here. That's chaos. Chaos is not profitable. Chaos is not scalable. Chaos is not calculated. You think that having chaos and I'm just winging it, baby. Just gonna wing it. No matter what happens, happens. I'm just gonna wing it. You think that's what successful traders are doing? I can tell you right now, chaos is not what they're doing. Not even close. Why? They're coming in calculated. They're coming in specific. I'm waiting for this trade. I'm gonna take it 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, whatever their equation says over here. This over here, whatever that says, whatever my daily plan is, I'm gonna do that. Now, in black gold trading, we have a couple different resources for you that would help you determine this. We have a calculator that is specific to, we got what over here? We got S&P 500. If you guys look over here, we have stuff that's specific to S&P, gold, NASDAQ, oil, etc. And it will have all of the math calculated in for you. So if you're saying, well, I don't know how many ticks and how many contracts is going to equal my dollar amount goal, we got that for you. If you guys have not checked it out already, we have a free Discord. It'll be down below or in the link or in the description. Go there, ask these questions, get help from master traders. I'm telling you, it's going to be worth it. Take chaos out of your dictionary. Take random out of your dictionary and only focus on your exact, specific, calculated, dialed in daily game plan. Guys, I'm Jordan Payne from Black Gold, and I will see you guys in the Discord.